Let's take a look at these three examples. This time we are going to divide binomial by monomial. In other words, we're supposed to divide every single term of this binomial by 4. So I have 8a, I have to divide by 4, I have to keep the sign, plus 24 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. That's why I'm going to have 2a. And 24 divided by 4 is 6. Plus 6. This is the solution to my first problem. Let's take a look at the second example. Again, we're supposed to divide every single term from the numerator by the denominator. So I have 5x squared, I have to divide by 5, keep the sign, negative sign, 15 over 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times x squared is x squared, minus 15 divided by 5 is 3. This is the solution to my second problem. Let's take a look at this example. I have 21 divided by 7, I have to keep the sign, minus 14c over 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3, minus 14 divided by 7 is 2. 2 times c gives me 2c. This is the solution to my third problem.